Okay, so we're now on the driver's side, so we've just done the same again. I've just released the bumper a little bit just so we can get the hose up behind onto the rear air vent. We've got our little camera here, so what I want to do is I just want to get this right. Okay, so there we go. So we can see the water coming in at the bottom of the vent there, filling up the box section. But you can see that vent's obviously letting a lot of water in, and that's on the driver's side as well. So we've got two rear air vents, and we've got a bit of an impact on the near side rear. Basically what it's doing is then when it fills up, it then fills into this section, and then it uses these as a guide to go underneath the rear seat, and then once it gets under the rear seat, it then goes into the footwells and then will collect to the front. Just to show you, obviously we know about the front. There we go, so we can see how wet it is in there. So that's the driver's side. And just to quickly show you as well, just while we haven't got the hose up on this near side, whereabouts is it? Right, okay. Now if we look very closely there, this seam here is where we're getting the sunlight through. So obviously we could do with cleaning that up and resealing this weld here, but this is obviously the culprit as well, which is filling in the passenger box section.